Do you have potatoes in your house? Then make this easy, quick and delicious recipe. And for this recipe we are going to peel 5 potatoes, and folks, this recipe is wonderful. I'm sure all of you who make it will love it. It's great for lunch, perfect for a dinner. I'm going to cut the potatoes into slices like this. And add in a pan, put water to cover. Add a spoon of salt. Mix, cover and cook for about 10 minutes. Okay, it's cooked. Now I'll be taking it out and reserving it. I will add it to a container. 3 eggs. Beat very well, and folks, you're already commenting to me. What city are you watching us from? And I'll send a super special hug to each one of you who is commenting. Put 200 grams of sour cream, a teaspoon of black pepper, a spoonful of sweet paprika, a teaspoon of cumin, a teaspoon of chimichurri, a teaspoon of salt, and mix very well. And today I'm going to send a special big hug to Mary from Portland, Oregon. Thank you so much for always commenting. I really appreciate it. Now in a refractory, I will add olive oil. Put the potatoes, add more olive oil on top. Spread tomato sauce. Add slices of mozzarella cheese. Put our little mix. Add more mozzarella cheese. 50 grams of Parmesan cheese. Tomato slices. Oregano. And bake at 356 degrees for about 20 minutes. And our recipe is ready. And it was delicious. I'm sure all of you who make it will love it. So if you liked it, share it and see you next time. Goodbye.